so gnarly. We're good, we know what to do. We need some degreaser, some hot water, and a little touch of FTP, and it's gonna be clean, baby. But I'm not cleaning in these clothes. Safety first. Everything that you're seeing in here, or maybe can see in here, is hydraulic fluid and mud. He said it was up to his knuckles before he cleaned some of it out. And this is pretty nasty. Resorted to gloves instead of a shovel because this is more efficient. Look at this. There's cloths. There's another one. There's so much more back there. Stuff just gets trapped under here. Woo. Wow, that is just one crossover. There's holes in the bottom of that, and my goal is to unclog them so all that water can drain out so I'm not scooping all day. I just gotta find them. We discovered those holes, so I'm looking for these ones right here. How's there no holes over here? All right, I located most of the holes, got out a lot more mud at the bottom, so we're gonna go with a round 2 spray. Let's do this. Woo! Second pass done. We can see yellow on the bottom. Looking good. We're gonna go in there and detail a little bit, degrease it, let it sit there for about 20 minutes, do another rinse and see how it looks. Oh, let's degrease. No one said this was gonna be easy. We're going in. My bad.